Hey guys, EatPiPs again from EatPiPs Forex project on Forex Factory. This is my trading journal. So yeah, like I said yesterday, you can see my video, my first video on Forex Factory on my thread, and it's basically just another catch up of what's going on today, October the 2nd, 2013. I started this journal 2 days ago on September 30th. Everything's been said in my first video. But yeah, just a little recap about what's happening today. I've had another take profit hit, AUDNZD 154 pips. I have had GBPJPY stop loss hit, but that was in the profit, so plus 14 there. These two done yesterday. Yeah, I've had EuroCAD and AUDCHF both hit their stop losses today, minus 48 and 49. And was this one also? Yeah, I spoke about this one yesterday. And so basically, yesterday we were at 499 pips gain, 124 pips lost, and 375 pips in profit. Since I've started my journal on September the 30th, 2 days ago. And currently today we stand at 667 pips gain, 221 pips lost, and 446 pips total in profit. I currently have 10 open trades, one pending order, one has expired already. And I'll just show you my MetaTrader was currently running. I've got the AUDUSD in play still from the 30th. That was taken here. The entry was here. Stop loss has been moved because it passed this level. It's currently sitting in profit. However, you know, we've had this retrace now. We're very close to my stop loss. It could possibly return back. I mean, at the moment it's a bit uncertain. But again, you know, we're in profit there. I would have ideally liked it to see it move further up and a bit of a retrace and then further. But you know, it's Forex, so you know, anything happens. So, but we're currently in profit on that one, and stop loss is in profit. USDSGD, this was taken also on 30th of September as a sell. I haven't moved my stop loss. Take profit is still at this black line, and we, you know, this is a very slow moving currency, so you know, possibly next week if we do see it continuing going my way, maybe around here, maybe hit my target next week. We have the pound New Zealand dollar, which was opened up yesterday as a buy. This has also been moved, the stop loss from this level into profit, and we're about I reckon about 75% now into the trade on my way. So yeah, just going to keep this one running as well. We have the pound yen opened up yesterday as a short. Stop loss has been moved into profit also because we've cleared this level of support, which is now sort of acting as resistance. Ideally I would like it to stay in this area and move down, hit my take profit at this support zone, which I believe is a much stronger zone, this one, compared to this zone. It wasn't very hard to break through this one this time. So this one's running. We got the CADCHF opened up again yesterday. This is a buy. This is one of my current losing trades that I'm in. Very close to my stop loss at the moment. I'm not going to touch this, just going to let it play out however it wants to go. But my zone is still acting as a support zone itself, not just a support line. So hopefully it will retrace from here and continue to go up. So I'm going to leave this one running also. We have AUDCAD, which is over here. Okay, this is a sell, opened up yesterday also. Stop loss hasn't been changed, take profit is still there. We're still within that zone really of where I opened it. Nothing's really, it triggered it off here. This is where it was triggered off, retraced back straight away, went into my resistance zone, gone back down to support zone, broken support zone, and now we're just currently in this zone now. So we will see how this plays out. Silver, we have a buy. Stop loss has been moved from my support zone into profit. Beautiful candle here. I mean, we had a big drop yesterday in silver and gold, and I do believe, I mean, I'm not sure if it's the end of the down move here, because, you know, the gap from this, when was this, the 9th of August? 9th of August. The gap still hasn't been completely closed. I mean, we're very close to the close. Literally a few pips away. I mean, what, 2 pips from the gap close. I mean, it could be enough. And so therefore I've moved my stop loss into profit. We're about 50% into this trade now. So that one's going to remain. That one was open up yesterday, and today's trades is the AUDCHF. Got a sell in place. Stop loss is going to remain there. Take profit is going to remain there. We're well over 50% into my trade. Literally using this as the entry was taken off based on these candles. It cleared those candles, entered the trade, and we're continuing to go down. I'm just taking my profit off at the first support if we reach that level. Gold again entered today based off this candle here. I mean, we tried to push down further. The bulls took it back up. Pushed down further. Bulls took it back up, closed. Bulls took it back up, closed. Again, tried to push down. Bulls took it up, closed. So I mean, we're still in my entry zone. Again, a resistance here. If we clear it, if we clear 130, I'm sure we're going to continue up in this zone now. But again, I have my stop loss based off the lower wick of the last short, the last bear candle there. So we'll see how that one works out. And we have the USDCHF daily. I've got a buy running there, which was triggered off on this bull, which was the trade was placed on the high wick of this short, and it was triggered here. Currently we're in a negative, but you know, this is a daily trade, so this may last a week, 2 weeks, possibly even longer, depending how the market is. My stop loss is at the lower end of this bull's wick, and my take profit is at the first major resistance that I see after this level, if we clear this again. But you know, this trade will probably last a few weeks. And I have one pending order, which is a USDDKK. This is a buy limit. I placed it when we were in this bull candle. I could have taken it there. I mean, I do believe we're going to go back to this direction now, because this support has been holding recently quite strongly the zone. But I didn't want to take the trade there because of my money management rules. I needed it to go back down to this level, so I've placed my buy limit there. I mean, we've missed it literally by a pip or two so far today. If we don't trigger it, if it just goes the way I want it to, I mean, I'll just cancel the trade. I'm not going to jump in because it just doesn't work for me for my money management in case it does return and take me out of my stop loss. But yeah, if it does get triggered off, that is where I see this pair going. And my stop loss is at the lower end of this wick, so the new low, which was basically made yesterday. So they're my current open trades and my current pending trades. I will make a video shortly just talking about how in a bit more detail of how I make my trades and my charts, how I draw the lines, etc. If you are interested, obviously, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll just keep these videos very short and just explaining my trades, entry levels, stop losses, and take profit levels. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.